Now the next question, question number 7. The greatest possible number with which when we divide 37, 58 leaves the respective remainder of 2 and 3 is. Here we are talking about greatest number. In the case of greatest number, we always use the concept of HCF. ठीक है? Here let the required number be x. When we divide 37 by the required number, we get remainder 2. This is remainder. And when we divide 58, we get remainder 3. This is R1 and this is R2. It means when we divide 37 minus 2 and 58 minus 3, remainder will be 0, or can say x divide completely 35 and 55. Now what is the value of x? And वो greatest भी होना चाहिए. ठीक है, just find the HCF of 35 and 55. 35 and 55 का हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? HCF. And you know how to find the HCF of two numbers? You can use Euclid lemma or arithmetic theorem also. Here the HCF of two number will be 5. How? 35 can be written 5 into 7 and 55 can be written into 5 into 11. Now the common factor is 5. The HCF is 5. According to that, B option is correct. I hope कि आपको clear हुआ होगा. Let's move on the next question. Question number 8. If x and y are positive real numbers, then there are 4 options are given. Here हमें यहाँ क्वेश्चन में कुछ नहीं गिवन है, जस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है कि x हमारे पास क्या है, एक पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर है